So, have a good day everyone. For today's video, we will talk about how to become a Proverbs 31 woman. Giving you some tips on how to become this girl in front of you trying to be a Proverbs 31 woman. Actually, hindi ko na siya goal this year. Matagal pa na rin siguro mga last year pa ganyan. And until now, I'm currently working for it na. So, ayun lang. First tip talaga about all of the love God. Kasi of course, paano ka magiging Proverbs 31 woman kung hindi mo mamahalin sila, Lord, right? And some of those things on how to love God is kasi if you really want to start on how to become that girl or that kind of woman, rather, parang hindi mo kailangan pagurin yung sarili mo. I mean, you have to do efforts, pero hindi yung asking parang dapat first ko ganito. No, not that. It's like parang umpisahan mo muna siya sa madali na alam mo magagawa mo. Like for example, you can do it by simply cutting those things na nakaka-affect sa relationship mo with God. Like for example, yung mga toxic habits mo, yung mga toxic relationships mo from other people that affects your relationship to God. For example, those bad friends, ganyan, or someone around you na hindi nakakatulong. Or just simply praying. Actually, you can do it. You can grow your faith kay Lord in just simply praying. Like for example, you are that kind of a person na parang hindi usually nag-pray, or sometimes lang talaga kapag parang you feel na kailangan mo sa Lord ka na. Alam mo, mag-grow yung faith mo with that simple praying. Like parang itagdag mo lang siya sa daily habits mo na kagising mo kapag unang gagawin mo before ka tumayo is mag-pray ka kayo. Kausapin mo sila, pasalamat ka kasi nagising ka that day. That's a blessing. And for example, kumakain ka lang, ngayon simple thank you lang kay Lord before you sleep, ganyan. Alam mo, in that way, mag-grow mo na yung faith mo kay Lord. And on that, parang doon mo mauumpisahan na mahalin si Lord above all else. Second tips is to be confident, as Proverbs 31 says. As Proverbs 31 says, parang you have to be confident. Actually, I love this parang quote ganyan. It's not confidence, it's a confidence, ganyan. Parang you have to be confident kasi dinadala mo si Lord. Kasi nakaguide sa'yo si Lord. Alam mo, hindi ka niya pabayaan, ganyan. And for the third tip is to be productive or like parang be hardworking, ganyan. I'm not saying na like for example, you have to take risk in everything, ganyan, para lang maging successful ka in life. Hindi siya sa ganung bagay. Like for example, as me as a student, kinakarakterize ko yun. Pagsisipag ganyan, like parang, for example, in terms of balance, is like maging effort ka talaga, yung buo yung hard work ka for that goals you have. Kasi alam mo, hindi ka naman kahit sabihin nila na nandiyan naman si Lord, magagawa niya yan. Hindi mo kailangan umasa kay Lord. Dapat nagtitake ka rin ng action. Kasi paano yun yung magagawa kung ikaw mismo lang ginagawa. Hindi naman lahat ng bagay is ibibigay ni Lord sa'yo. Lalo na kung alam mo hindi ka gumagawa ng efforts. Ayun. And for the I think the last tip na ganyan, in connection with the first tip, which is love God, ganyan. The fourth tip is to cut off something or someone na nakaka-affect sa faith ko kayo. Like actually, personally speaking, very experience ko na yung ganyan bagay. Like, I cut it off being K-pop idol, P-pop idol, ganyan. Kasi I choose ka over those worldly things, ganyan na. Kasi kapag you are K-pop idol or you idolize someone, ganyan, idolize someone, ganyan, parang dumarating sa point na parang sila na lang yung pinipraise mo, which is very worldly na ganyan. And dagdag pa rin is yung mga nag-stop na rin ako nakikinig rin sa mga music na alam mo makamundo talaga, like hindi appropriate yung mga things or may meaning talaga yung lyrics na may iba siyang lyrics ganyan. And tapos cut off people na alam mo negative talaga siya sa'yo, alam mo may bad effect siya talaga sa'yo in terms of growing your faith kay Lord. Like for example, and if hindi mo siya or sila maka-cut off totally, it's like parang maging instrument ka na lang sa kanila para mabago nila or ma-stop nila yung mga bagay na yung para ma-stop nila yung mga bagay na nagiging bad effect siya. Ganyan. Like for example, very big is yung since I am not cursing, I stop cursing. I'm cursing before pero not those as in malala na curse. Ganyan. Ano lang. Tapos hindi naman talaga as in mura yung mga ganyan. Like minsan nabibigla lang din ganyan. Pero ngayon, hindi na ako nakimura. Very naman talaga kapag sobrang visit na ako, sobrang instinct. Ito yun, that is one of the things na pwede mong gawin. For example, instead na i-cut off mo yung mga people na ganun, why don't you try to educate them, ganyan, or to educate or like, turuan mo lang sila, or like parang bawalin mo lang sila. Kapag nagbumara sila, very weak. As in like, sa mga friends ko, sa regular friends namin, kapag nagbumara, ganyan, inis ako, pinabulag sila, ganyan. Ayun na, ang parang pinaka-tip talaga dito sa last tip na to is parang i-stop mo yung pagiging worldly. Ganyan. And that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Bye-bye!